Okay. Okay, so here we are, December 10th, about 10 days before winter actually starts. So this is still autumn. Looks a lot like winter out there. Having my morning smoothie. It's about 20 degrees outside, blowing snow, freezing, and in a couple days it's going to go down to -20 and a -30 with the wind chill. So it's going to get 40 degrees colder and windier than it is now. And look at this. Take a look at this. Holy shit. Beautiful though. The roof over there. Yeah. There's not much to say. I think it kind of explains itself. It's cold. A lot of snow. Well, I guess that's about as much excitement as we can take in one day. I'm closing the door. You got all wet. You got all wet, eh?